Good afternoon, my name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the pre-speaking interview of candidate named Manjot Kaur and candidate number 110856. Manjot, are you ready to start?
Yes.
Can you tell me something about your education?
I recently completed my graduation in commerce stream from Patel Memorial National College, which is located in Rajpura.
Okay. And what subjects are you going to choose in that?
In that time, I chose a lot of subjects which is related to the commerce stream. The main subject is management accounting, cost accounting, and many more. And really, it is a very interesting subject for me.
Which is your favorite subjects in that all?
My favorite subject is management, and in the management I learn a lot of things about how to start a business, like from planning to directing.
Okay. How much work do you do in a week?
Repeat the question, sir.
How much work do you do in a week?
As I am a student, I did not work any work
And why?
because I think I do not capable for any work.
Okay. Okay, I'll put you some questions related to weekends.
Yes.
What do you like to do on the weekends?
I like to enjoy with my family and friends on weekend because it is the best time to spend quality time with our loved ones.
Do you think weekends become popular among the youngsters?
Nowadays, weekend is very popular among the youngsters because it provides the facilities to the youngster to rejuvenate ourselves and break from the monotonous.
Are your weekends enough long for you? Are your weekends enough long for you?
I think weekend is enough for me because I can fun and enjoy in sufficient time.
What you was doing last weekend?
Last weekend I went to a golden temple to pay obeisance in front of Santam Santorum with my family.
Should employees need to work on the weekends?
I do not think employees should work on the weekend because it is a time which is given by the companies to spend their family members.
Okay, I'll put you some more questions related to your age. Are you happy to be the age you are now?
Yes, I am absolutely happy in this age, although it has some problem and difficulty related to my study, but I think I am satisfied with that life.
When you were a child, did you think a lot about your future?
I do not think when I was a child I think a lot about my future because that time I do not have sufficient knowledge about the future and career.
Do you think people change as they grow older?
Yes, absolutely. People change their way of thinking and some more things when they become older. Like for example, senior citizens face many tiredness because of their age.
What will be the difference about your life in the future?
In future, I become a successful person in my life, and in the future I found myself as the best manager of a company.
Do you think you have changed a lot as you grow older?
Yes, I think I changes a lot to grow because I learn many things as well as I change my many bad habits.
Is childhood the happiest stage of our life?
Repeat the question, sir.
Is childhood the happiest stage of our life?
Absolutely, in my logical way of thinking, childhood stage is the best stage of life because that time we do not have any responsibility and difficulties and worries of their life.
Do you still remember any of your childhood memory?
Yes, I have a lot of childhood memory, but I like that one most thing about my childhood. I can enjoy all day, play many outdoor games with my friend, and do not have worry about the work.
Are there many children in your locality?
Yes, there are numerous children in my locality because they also are my classmates, and sometimes I discuss with them matters related to my study.
Okay, Manju, this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic and 2 minutes to speak and 1 minute to think. If you want to make your notes, then you can use the notepad. So your topic is number 1. You have a 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. Alright, stop.
Well, there are very rare situations when I feel bored from my friend and other members, but here I will talk about it when I feel really bored. And last year I went my father's friend home, and that time my father decided to go that place because my uncle is not well, and I went there to take care his. And actually that time when I went there, he served some snacks and tea for me, and that after some time my father and uncle continuously talk about the politics. To be honest, I do not like politics, and they also argue about their favorite political member, and they almost continue their talk about 1 hour. That time I really feel bored because I have no much interest in the politics, and after that I told my father to go back home, but my father really busy in that talk, and that time I was some angry and irritated from that topic, and that was the occasion when I feel really bored.
So this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some more questions related to the celebrations and borrowing, lending things. What kind of celebrations are common in your country?
In my country, there are lot of celebration which is popular now. The first and foremost is marriage celebration. Some people celebrate their success, and some people like their happy movement of their life, like a retirement.
Why do people care so much about national sports teams?
Some people have a keen interest in sports as well as sports personalities because they are more interesting, and they also love to watch and play sports.
Do all people in your country take part in the same celebrations?
I do not think all people can take interest in the same occasion. It is depend upon the nature as well as interest of the person.
How has the way people celebrate changed?
Nowadays, people celebrate their changes. They are more interested in they afford big restaurant as well as 5-star hotel to celebrate their happiness, and they become more extrovert by nature.
What kind of things people normally like to borrow?
In my logical way of thinking, there are some occasion which bore the people. The first and foremost thing, some people are extrovert by nature. They do not like to outside for the reason that is why they feel bored.
Do you like to lend money others?
To be honest, I do not like lend money from others because I arrange myself in my earning.
Would you ever give money to your friends?
Yes, I give money to my friend, who is my best friend, because they do not have money for their fees of their college. That time I help him.
What kind of opinion people of your country have related to borrowing and lending?
In my country, people have a different opinion of lending as well as borrow money, because some people do not like to lend money from others, but some people like to borrow money in their difficult time.
What kind of things people normally borrow?
In my logical way of thinking,
How do you feel when someone borrows something from you?
I feel good when someone borrow from someone, because every person want to borrow money in their difficult time, and it also maintain the harmony relation with each other.
Okay, Manjot, this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.